In the weekly business insight form, the management can check um, their data by any date range, but here the system by default allow for 7 days, every 7 days. And the perspectives of budget will be changed. That's why here we can look at the data from different perspectives. First of all, we select the dates and type of report is for analyzing the product informations, because many salesmen are selling products, and which products are selling best and which products are getting shorter. Everything can be seen from this screen. Let me explain. Here is a detail screen where for every category it can be checked for each data for their breakdowns or details of the showing total amounts. So here is a recalculate button. If company needs to posting for the back date, after this process is done, they need to to get the new data here, they need to recalculate the system, and after pressing this show button, it will show this data. So in this data there are explanations of each records. Let's see, for this category of product, if we want to see what are the products exist in the stock, we need to click here and all the products will be shown with their total amount. So here are the details of stocked items and what are the products newly purchased under this category. Here is the details, and for each purchase report, here are the invoices, the purchase invoices, under which invoices the products are purchased, and they are with their quantity, unit price, and rest of the details. So and other cost means if there are any LC cost or transportation cost or labor cost involved, it will be shown here, and their total cost, and after purchasing the amount, what is the new stock and what is the sales amount, what is the discount amount and item cost amount, and what are the cost of the sold items. That means this amount was sold and this amount was the cost of the sold items or sold goods, and what is the profit amount. You can get it from deducting the amount or subtract the amount. This is the actual profit amount. So under the profit, here it will be total explanation of the profit amounts and loss amounts as well. And the first item, it will be the for which item the company made most of the profits, and also after you click on the product name, it will go to the details for each salesman, who sold to which customer, under what rate they made this profit amount. Every breakdown is here, and below under the total section, in the total section there are all the sum of total company sales, company's purchase, total company's profit amount. Every record is showing here. And then in the second section, here company put the budget for every head of their expenses. In this software, they will for example, for their weekly rent, store rent, weekly payments, and weekly other payments they need to pay maybe monthly, or but they will keep this amount in another account every week, so that end of the month they will pay the total amount where it was budgeted for the like salary or any other heads, electricity bills, store rents, everything. And here are the another summary section where company, how much discount company gave to their customers, total, what is the total amount of collection, and what are the general expenses. Here all the amounts will be shown, and after making all the payments and after doing all the transactions, what is their actual net profit amount. And here is another section where total cash flow is showing how much amount a cash or bank account received, and how much it received, what was the collection amount, and what was the total receive amount, and what was the total outgoing amount, and current actual balance amount is for all the cash and bank account will be shown in the cash flow summary section. And in the next section, here is employee performance section. For every salesman or every sales team, there is performance analysis, what is their total sold amount, and here is all the reports they need for the sold amount, like product wise total sales and actual total product wise profit the salesman made, and what is the bad debt amount which the customer will never pay, and actual sales amount, and what was the old due amount from the customer, and what is the new due amount after all the transactions are done, and what is the expense amount for the sales team in this week, like sales team's vehicles go outside city, they need fuels, and they need foods and other costings. Total cost amount is here, and what is the actual final profit amount after making all the expenses. And here is the total cash in received, total cash received history, and here all the amount that received by the company is showing here. It's a long list of company, a long list of total to 239 records, and a list of payments here, and a list of other payments here, and received to bank accounts records. There is no data because no amount was received in the bank in this week,